Hey everyone, today I am so excited to share with you the biggest modification yet to my Kia EV6. I got some awesome new forged wheels from Titan 7 that not only look incredible, but they are lightweight and strong, which is vital for EVs. I'm going to show you the wheels up close and give you some details on the fitment and weight compared to the stock wheels, but first I'm going to explain why I went with these wheels in particular. So wheels are an integral part of any vehicle, and with EVs like the Kia EV6, there are some additional things that need to be considered when choosing the right wheel. Titan 7 wheels are fully forged, so what does that mean? Well, there are a few different ways you can make wheels, and this graphic from their website explains it pretty well. There is the standard casting process that most wheels use. Molten aluminum is poured into a mold to create the wheel. It's cheap, but the wheels are more porous. Think pouring pancake batter into a bowl and having air bubbles. Basically, because of that, more metal is needed for strength, meaning more weight, and with a more porous wheel, the likelihood of cracks is higher. A step up from cast wheels is flow formed. You've probably seen this a lot. This type of wheel construction involves spinning the wheel as it's formed, which makes it more dense, requiring a little less metal and saving some weight. This has gotten a lot more popular, and companies are promoting it as being like a forged wheel, but it's still not on that level. There is still potential for porosity, and it's made from a lower grade of metal. Fully forged wheels from Titan 7 start out as a full block of high-quality 6061 aluminum. It's then pressurized to 10,000 tons to give the wheel its shape and improve the structure and properties of the wheel. There is no porosity, and the wheel is more dense, allowing less weight and increased strength. One of the most important things to consider when selecting wheels is load rating. EVs weigh a lot because of the battery packs, and some wheels from major companies simply aren't rated high enough to handle the weight. And when you go over the rated load, you risk wheels failing, bending, cracking, causing an accident. So choosing wheels that can handle the heavy load is a must. The way you tell the load rating you need is you look at the gross axle weight rating, the GAWR, inside your vehicle door. This is calculated by the vehicle manufacturer using a combination of vehicle weight and payload capacity, like the weight of people and cargo. For the EV6, the load rating is 2,822 pounds for the front and 3,064 pounds for the rear. That means between the two wheels on each axle, you need to have load ratings at least that high to be able to safely drive on the wheels with people and cargo, and some wheels are rated too low. As I was looking at different ones, many were rated at just 1,521 pounds, for example, which ultimately could be dangerous if you get those wheels. The Titan 7 wheels I got are rated at 750 kilograms each, which is 1,653 pounds. That brings the rating per axle to just over 3,300 pounds, which is well above the EV6's gross axle weight rating. Another thing to consider is wheel weight. Factory wheels from EV manufacturers are designed to be aerodynamic, and the EV6 wheels are no exception. They are fairly flat with minimal openings, and they are tucked into the wheel well behind the fenders. And while this is great from an aero standpoint, they don't look that great, and they're heavy. Forged wheels are able to be very lightweight while staying strong, which helps offset the less aerodynamic but better looking design of the wheels themselves. I'll be doing a test in the future to compare the efficiency of these wheels versus my stock wheels, so stay tuned. On that note, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've seen amazing growth, and your support helps me to be able to put out videos like this, as well as do contests and giveaways for you guys, and I really do appreciate it. Now I know you're all itching to see the wheels, so let's take them out of the boxes and take a look. These are Titan 7 TS5 prototype Kia EV6 wheels that they're looking at producing for our vehicles. They tailor wheels for specific applications instead of just mass producing wheels in general sizes, so I'm helping them road test the wheels and gauge interest. So be sure to leave a comment with what you think of the wheels. They are 19 by 8.5 inches with a 40mm offset and a proper 67.1mm center bore, so no hub-centric ring is required. And they look amazing. They are very concave, which I love, but didn't really think was possible in this size and offset. This is the machine black finish, which is going to look great on my car. And just look at these wheels. The detail is incredible. The machining looks great. I'm thrilled. I love the look. I cannot wait to get these installed. Some notes on these wheels in particular. They have a lifetime structural warranty, and they have some really nice features. They have this gear cut knurled bead set, which improves the bind between the tire and the wheel, helping to prevent slippage and improving traction. They have a rigid spoke tracer, which improves stiffness and durability of the wheel while keeping the weight low. The overall design is optimized for strength and weight reduction, and is also made to be able to fit big brakes for when some actually come out for the EV6. It also has a reinforced inner rim flange to help resist impact and bending, which is great. Many companies don't have that to save some more weight, but I think it's certainly beneficial to have that additional strength, especially with an EV. Speaking of weight, let's compare these to the stock wheels. First, let's take a look at the stock wheels. This is a very accurate scale I have that I've used many times on various items. Let's get the stock wheels on here. And they weigh 31.8 pounds. That is not light. Now let's check the fully forged Titan 7 TS5 wheels. Holding the wheel, you can tell there's a big difference. And these wheels are only 20.2 pounds. That is incredible. It's over 11 pounds lighter per wheel, and these wheels are an inch wider than stock. That is the benefit of fully forged wheels right there. And these look so much better than the factory wheels. In addition to the wheels, I got their matching CNC machined tall center caps that feature a double O-ring system. They are very high quality and fit nice and tight. I also got their OWL lug nuts, which stands for Obsessed with Lightness. They are forged titanium with machined sides, which makes them lighter than normal lug nuts, which helps reduce rotational mass. And they have a unique design that looks like it needs a special key, even though it doesn't, which helps as a theft deterrent, which I like. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Be sure to leave a comment. Personally, I'm really excited about these wheels. They look amazing and I cannot wait to get them installed. They run $2,860 for a set, which is a great deal for strong, lightweight, fully forged wheels of this quality. Many other forged wheels I was looking at were well above $3,000, $4,000, some even more than that. Center caps are $116, which is good for the quality. The lug nuts are $355, which is hefty, but they are really high quality as well, and they're lightweight and very unique. But yeah, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the wheels. Be sure to subscribe too and stay tuned for videos of the wheels installed so you can see exactly how they look on the Kia EV6. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. But thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.